Did you know that if you're between the ages of 24 and 50, your income will fluctuate from $27,000 to $57,000 annually? If you're younger in your 20s, you tend to make income in the range of $20,000 to $30,000. As you get older, your income increases. That fact is given based on based on the job that you do. So if you have a job in the United States, according to statistics, your income will range between that. One thing I noticed is the age gap. So from age 24 to 50, that's like 25 years, and your income only doubles in 25 years, and you're not starting out with a lot. So you're starting out with 27, you end up at $50,000 if you hold a job. But if you're entrepreneurial, that could be different. There are so many ways that you can generate massive amount of income. The reason I started out with that statistics is that I just wanted to put things in perspective. If you have a job right now, and if you think that in 10, 15 years it's going to give you the lifestyle that you want, this video can be a wake-up call for you. There are jobs and there are positions that pay you really, really well, but they ask you to give your life away, work 50, 60, 70 hours. How do I know that? Well, I've done that for many, many years. I've climbed the corporate ladder. At some point, my annual income was $157,000. And at that point, I quit the job and started my own business. You might be wondering what this has to do with anything. Well, I'm the founder of a marketing agency out of New York, and a ton of people have reached out to us every single day who are entrepreneurial, who see the rat race, and they don't want to be a part of that. They're looking for business opportunities to make additional income. I'm not the expert on all business opportunities out there. That's not my claim, but I just wanted to share with you what I know that works, okay? So usually the common theme from people that I hear is they see things online, they get excited by someone who's doing some kind of online business, and they get their money taken by them and nothing happens, or they get involved with a multi-level marketing company who asks them to sell stuff to their family members, friends, and all that stuff to make money kind of off of them. I'm not going to talk about any of that. I'm talking about real business that our clients generate money in, and that's by being a broker to help small businesses get a loan. The reason I mentioned the annual salary is when I broke down how much effort it takes to make that or go beyond that, it is way less than the time and the amount of hours, years and the amount of hours you're going to put in working for someone else. So obviously, if you love your job, you can just stop watching right now. But if you're an entrepreneurial type and you're looking for ways to leverage yourself and your time and what you know, what you don't know really fast, so you can make a lot more money by running an actual business and you know, replacing either your existing income, or maybe you're not happy with your income currently. So that you got it. Currently you need to have a reason that you're watching this. You're looking for an opportunity, and I didn't create this opportunity. This already create a video and talk about it. So what I'm talking about is something called product, but the good thing is it doesn't require for you to be licensed or certified or anything like that. You become a broker, you help businesses get a loan. And the best part about this business model is you're not providing a loan, so you're not taking the risk. There are already a ton of companies who want to give loans out to small businesses. And you just find the businesses who want to get a loan, who doesn't, right? All the businesses want money. And match it to the company who can provide it to them real fast. And the benefit to this, because in your mind you might be thinking, why would I do that? Why would not go through their bank and get a loan? Well, 2/3 of the bank applications are declined, especially after what happened in 2008, the recession, the Great Recession that we had after the real estate bubble bursted. So banks do not want to take risks, and honestly, they don't really make a lot of money by selling these type of loans. And their process is super long. For small businesses, mom and pop shops, they can't wait 6 weeks to see if they qualify for a loan through the bank. They need an answer immediately. And this merchant cash advance system allows you to do that. So you become a merchant cash advance broker. You're pretty much offering them a loan on their future sales. and you're making a commission for that. So I'm not going to go through the entire business model, but just to give you the bullet points of why this is a super attractive business model. Again, this is not the only one. There are business models out there, but if you're okay with talking to people, if you're genuinely interested in helping small businesses, I just want to share this is a great opportunity for you to consider. So why this is a great opportunity is that the commission generated from each sale is massive. The average commission is $2,000 to $4,000 per deal, and on average. So when you look at it that way, even if you get one deal a month, that's usually more than what you'll be making annually through a job where you give 40, 50 hours of your time, your travel, and all that stuff. And that's not even what you're keeping. That's pre-tax, right? Even if you're getting paid $30,000 a year, after the government takes its tax, you're down to like 25,000 or so. When you own your own business, you can write off a lot of stuff as a business owner. So the tax laws are on your side more than just being an employee. So that's why this business opportunity is solid. Even with one or two deals a month, you can make a really good amount of money. And even if you have a job right now that's paying you $40,000, $50,000, within a matter of 30 to 60 to 90 days, you can literally replace your existing income and do this full time if you want to, or you can make a lifestyle business out of that. The next question is, yeah, Oz, that's great. I can make $2,000, $3,000 per deal, but how long does it take? What is the sales process? Well, that's one of the other amazing things that makes this a great business model is that the sales cycle is really, really short. You can literally help a business get money in their bank account within 48 hours to 72 hours, okay? So that means that from beginning of the conversation until the time they get paid and you get your commission, that's like what, a week. You can make a lot of commission-based sales in other industries. For example, real estate is one of them, but how long is the sales cycle? It could be 3 months, 6 months, sometimes a year before you get your first deal. Until then, you're just going to show homes here and there, drive to the training, go there. And if you're dealing with a first-time home buyer, they want to look at 50 homes before they make a decision. And you find out, oh, wait, they don't even qualify. Things like that. But with this business, you do it based on, it can be home-based. You don't really go to knock on doors or anything like that. You can do it from your home by using your own computer, by using your own phone, just talking to businesses and qualifying them, and literally hand it off to the company that does the lending itself. You just make your commission. That's why when I look at businesses, one of the attractive things that's attractive to me is what is the upfront cost? How long does it take to ramp up and get it up and running and making money? And what is the upside potential? The upside potential is huge. The demand is big. I mean, I don't think I need to convince you on the demand. Small businesses, more than 70% of them, they want to get a loan. And unfortunately, they really can't. Let me adjust my camera. I think I'm a little blurry. So yeah, so another thing is, can you run this? Because the last thing you want to do is burn all your bridges and drop what you're doing, just focus on this and stress yourself out. Commitment is important, but at the same time, you want to diversify your income. So if you have a job, still keep that, but you can share the opportunity for those who might not be familiar with this industry, for you to take a peek and check it out to see if this is something worth your time, to see if this is something that you want to take advantage of, because this market is wide open right now. Especially banks are not giving out loans as much as they used to, or as easy as they used to before. It's nowhere near that. Again, 2/3 of the loan applications are being declined every single day. That's just bad news for business owners. So now you have an opportunity where you can present them with pretty much money in their bank account, and you can do it as fast as possible. So they make money, you make money, the lender makes money, everyone is happy. Then they become a repeat customer. So there's a lot of recurring revenue opportunity. Again, there are a lot of details about this business. Then I don't want to turn this into like an hour recording. But for those of you who are interested, there's going to be a link below this video where I literally have a 1-hour training on this industry, the pitfalls to watch for, how do you really make money, how does it work, what systems do you need, do you really need to spend a lot of money to run this and how to succeed? And it's totally free. So you're going to see a link. When you click on it, you'll be able to watch an hour-long webinar on this one. If you're interested, if this piqued your interest, I highly suggest you check that out. And at the end, you'll have a chance to schedule a call with me and ask additional questions if you need to. All right, so hope to see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the video, and drop a like or comment below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.